Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven. Unlike many other channels, we do not waste your time. We get straight to the point with simple health advice that can truly help you feel stronger and healthier after 60. If your legs feel weaker than they used to, or if climbing stairs and getting out of a chair is becoming harder, your body may be missing key nutrients that support muscle strength and circulation. Today, I want to share a few unique foods most seniors rarely hear about, but these foods may help improve balance, reduce cramps, and keep your legs stronger as you age. Let us start with sardines. These small fish may not look impressive, but they are one of the best foods for seniors. Sardines are packed with protein, calcium, vitamin D, and healthy omega-3 fats. Together, these nutrients help support muscle strength, bone health, and circulation. Many older adults have low vitamin D levels, which can lead to weakness, fatigue, and poor balance. Sardines can naturally help support those levels while also reducing inflammation in the joints and muscles. Even 1 or 2 servings a week may help your legs feel stronger and steadier. Another hidden gem is pumpkin seeds. Most people think of them as a simple snack, but they are loaded with magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is extremely important for healthy muscles. Low magnesium levels can cause leg cramps, tight muscles, twitching, and restless legs at night. Pumpkin seeds also support nerve health, helping your muscles and brain communicate properly. A small handful each day may help improve muscle recovery and reduce stiffness. Now let us talk about beets. Beets are one of the best foods for circulation because they contain natural nitrates that help open blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen reaches your leg muscles, helping reduce heaviness and tiredness while walking. Many seniors notice better endurance and less fatigue when beets become part of their diet. You can roast them, juice them, or add them to salads. Fermented foods like kefir, yogurt, and sauerkraut are also very important. Many people do not realize that poor digestion can weaken muscles because the body struggles to absorb nutrients properly. Fermented foods support healthy gut bacteria, which helps your body absorb protein, vitamins, and minerals more effectively. Better digestion often means better energy and stronger muscles. Bone broth is another powerful food that seniors often overlook. It contains collagen, amino acids, and minerals that support joints, tendons, and muscle recovery. Many older adults say they feel less stiffness and more comfortable movement after adding warm bone broth to their routine. And finally, prunes. Yes, simple prunes. Research shows they may help protect bone density and reduce inflammation. Strong bones support strong muscles, especially in the legs and hips. Just a few prunes a day may help seniors stay more active and balanced. Remember, your body can still rebuild strength at any age when you give it the right support consistently. Thank you for watching Gentle Health with Dr. Steven. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more simple and useful health advice made especially for seniors.